There are, in my experience and also what I've seen in a shamanic journey, there are 4 main human talents, and they're related to the different elements. And so I'll tell you right now. The first one, and I've done recently another journey and it was explained to me this way again. The first one is the talent that we need, and it comes from our soul. It's not something that we program into us, to be able to create something in this world, to create a safe space, to create a home, put a roof over our head, create a relationship. And really, if you think of it, like in the history of mankind, of humanity, if you picture yourself for a moment, us in another lifetime, or our ancestors, like really literally hundreds of thousands of years ago, it's the need to find the place where we're going to be in shelter. It's the need to find a way to think ahead. The seasons are there. I understand the seasons enough that I need to save some fruit and dry them. Just save some meat or fish and dry it so that we have it in the wintertime. It's that kind of structured thinking. It's one of our survival talents. And we can call it the earth power of our soul. It's a soul power that we have that's already there. It's already harmonious. It's already beautiful. And we get into resonance with that by doing something like an asana, like the Virasana, which activates the root chakra, the root center, I'd like to say, and thereby gives us more energy and more focus in that field of life, creating the basics. Okay? It's that simple.